Every frame tells a story, and sometimes that story lies in the tiniest of moments. Imagine holding one of the smallest and lightest full-frame macro lens. Introducing LUMIX 100mm F2.8 macro. With its close focusing distance of 0.2 meters, we can capture intricate details that are often overlooked. But this lens isn't just about macro. It's also a fantastic prime lens for capturing landscapes and portraits. It delivers sharp results with excellent color reproduction. At F2.8, capture beautiful round bokeh that ensures your subject stands out in every portrait. As we venture into the captivating realm of macro photography, this lens becomes a tool for discovery. The shared design with F1.8 prime series and the consistent 67mm filter thread creates an efficient workflow. The lens works seamlessly with autofocus. It offers a high speed and precise video performance and unleashes our creativity from macro to infinity.
Panasonic.